Assalamu alaikum. I'm Hassan Riyad. I'm from UTHM Johor. I'm doing Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering with honors. So this is my first video of the YouTube channel. So in this channel, I will try to tell about some basic things of engineering, some basic things or basic application what we will need. Some things we will be confused. That's why I will try to tell you this thing. So right now, what topic I'm going to tell. The topic is related in solid mechanics or like mechanics of materials, then fluid mechanics, and then statics. So here we know the pressure. What is pressure? So pressure, like we have heard that blood pressure, this pressure, water pressure, a lot of things, and we also know about the shear stress, but shear stress is new for us. So the unit for the pressure is Pascal. In the teenage time, we have studied in the high school that Archimedes pressure, Pascal's law, Archimedes law, Pascal's law. So right now I will try to tell about the pressure, what is pressure, and the difference between pressure and shear stress. So what is pressure? So pressure is equals force exerted on a surface area. That means I will apply something on an object surface. Then like I will apply the force. This is an object. I will apply the this force in this surface area. So this is called pressure. So pressure equals to what? Force over area. That means we can say that P equals to F over A. F means force and A means area. So force per unit area, and the unit is Newton per meter square. So how it comes Newton per meter square? We know the unit of the force equals to Newton, and A means equals to what? Area. Area equals to what? Length and width. So that's why length, the unit of length is meter, and the unit of width is also meter. So meter length into meter, length into width. That's why meter square. And this is over. That's why Newton per meter square. So this is F P equals to F over A. So right now another thing. Here we are seeing this thing. We are applying this P force in this surface of the object AB. So another thing is the shear stress. So what is shear stress? Shear stress is nothing but the pressure. It's also same of the pressure, because the unit of shear stress is also Newton per meter square. So we know the pressure. The unit of the pressure is Newton per meter square. And so shear stress unit is also Newton per meter square. And what is the definition of shear stress? The shear stress definition is force per unit area. Force is applied in a surface of the per unit area. But the thing is that this force applied parallelly. This force applied parallelly, and pressure applied perpendicularly. That means if I apply the force, in 0 degree angle, like this is my object, I am applying this force without I am applying this force. Is there any angle? No, there is no angle. So the angle is 0 degree. So this is called shear stress. So we mean shear stress by tau, and pressure equals to P. So this is shear stress, and this is force, and this is pressure. So normally we tell that, so we can say that pressure is applied on the surface perpendicularly. The angle between the pressure and angle between the force and the object is 90 degree, and shear stress in shear stress force occurs parallelly. So the angle is between the force and the object is 0 degree. So this is the main difference of pressure and shear stress. So I think you will